oi, oi, oi. Hello, welcome to the stream. One sec. I feel like you could probably hear my fan ticking away. Going crazy. Alright. So, what we doing? Trying to save and load your clothes through the menu and stuff. So, we're using... We've got an old script running the current, like, spot where you load your clothes. This is an old menu. You want to replace this with our new one. And these store an outfit name and stuff like that. I mean, it's, it loads you out of there, so that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna make a really basic storefront UI today. Hopefully, that'll be the goal. Because right now we've got this menu. I mean, closed. I haven't even started the script. Parks, clothing. So now we do clothes. This is the menu that we want to use. Last stream we put the categories at the top here, so you can press Q and E to like quickly go through the different sections rather than having one really long bit. So that was cool. What we're going to do today is the new, when you walk over, so I'll put this place in as a coordinate to bring up the menu. I do like that press space to open close shop. Like, I think that's cool. Or maybe we should have it, because that does go away and can be sometimes hard to trigger it back up. You might need a prompt rather than that. And then this is always annoying, getting stuck where you can't see your character. So first things first, we need to add some coordinates to clothing area. So it's pretty basic at the moment, the client section. Let me just tidy it up. I don't think I need those hash names. That changes items. That closes the UI. This is a callback. That triggers the thing to open. Didn't miss a stream, you did not. Good to see you, buddy. The one little hey, and then off to work you go. Yeah, still, I think I'll be pretty busy with the clothing thing for a while, because it's, building it from scratch. There's a few bits that we've got to add. So I'm going to steal a bit of code from this. This is what the old one looks like. Crazy. I mean, it's got zones. These are the zones. I mean, I could probably just pinch this for now. Shop text. I just want the zones really. I mean, we just take it. We don't even have a config file. So create a new file. Enable command. I mean, that's kind of cool. It's a sprite, scale, open key. Those are our shop locations. Awesome BMX! Yo, yo, yo! What's all on the to-do list before it opens back up? That's a good question. Clothing menu is a big one to get done. And then bank robberies be in there, hopefully. Big thank you to Austin for letting us use that script. There's some cool stuff we want to do with the shop menus and stuff, but I don't want to wait for that to be done before we let people in, because it's like that would take me a while, but it'd be pretty cool. So those are the main things: bank robberies and the clothing menu, and then just like fixing everything. There's always more cool stuff to do. Yeah, exactly. Like, I feel like I just wanted to make the serve of the first impressions really show you what it's like, because at the moment you kind of hit these outdated clothing and creator, or not the creator so much anymore, but you'd hit the old clothing menu and it's kind of like, didn't really show you what the rest of the server was like. So those are the two main bits. But yeah, and then it's just like tidying a bunch of stuff up, because like I hadn't really moved over to one sync, and there's a few things that need to be like fixed for that I've noticed. So, but I think that would be more like beta testing stuff, because we really need people to kind of like play how they would normally play, and then just see what the biggest pains in the ass are of the server, like what things are like getting in the way or continually breaking that people want to fix up. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see. I mean, I was hoping to have stuff ready by the end of February. It's now March, so I think, yeah, I don't want to put any dates on it. It'll be ready when it's ready. We'll just keep chipping away. And I mean, I don't want the community to sort of like feel like nothing's happening. So I'm making sure I keep making content and keep working on, because I always love working on RedM. I'm never going to stop. So now that we've got these coordinates in here, these are the places that you get close enough to, it'll open the menu. I just want to see. Nah, I don't want to copy, right? You don't want to copy bad code. Time goes so fast. I already announced some big stuff for this year, and the year's already quarter over. It's crazy, man. Like, my kid's almost 1 year old. Like, feels like he was just born the other day. It's so nuts. But I mean, I don't know what it's like to set dates and not meet it. Describes my entire channel. It's mainly because I'm a lazy POS. Well, I mean, I don't want to say a date, because then people will hold me to it. They'll be like, but you said, man, why? So yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna be, you know. And there'll definitely be betas, and we'll definitely get everyone involved. Yeah, later this year. Later this century. I mean, that's the problem with good work. It takes time, you know. And I'm always like juggling 5 different bloody projects as well. So it's like, I'd love to just do RedM stuff all day, every day. Although I don't know if I would. I'd probably get a little burnt out. Because I mean, you get, you know, too much of a good thing. You got to chill on certain stuff. I dropped an entire camping script, then reworked the entire thing to relaunch it 2 weeks later. Dude, wow, that's a lot of work. So did you guys have like, still have the building of your camps where you can like put fences in and stuff? Because I always thought that was really cool, but also like very hard to manage people from doing dumb shit with it, like building stuff in the way of, you know, roads and stuff. So the other thing is, this is like real basic. So if you wanted more than one store, I'm gonna go. It's been off for a while because it was crashing the server, but new script runs so good. Nice. Is that all like custom built? You can't build in towns or on roads. Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, I was I saw your stream start, and then it was like 20-minute countdown. I was like, oh, I had to go make lunch, so I didn't end up watching it. So I had to check the VOD, see how it's all going. Did the whole thing from scratch. Nice, man. Yeah, it must be like, you feel more proud of stuff that you make from scratch and see people enjoying it, and then it works well. You're just like, yeah, I did that. That's me. That's all me. All right, so let's do. I should just make this a function that like gets used in everything. Because I do this with like everything. Every one of my like, if you're here, do this. Clothing store. 6 different camp permits. Group camps with shared upgrades to buy and 100 props to choose to place down. That's crazy, man. Like, nutty. We've got permits, so like, where do you get a permit from? And do they like, people come along and check your permit? I guess that was the RP you were doing the other day. And okay, servers that reuse other people's scripts just feel dull and boring. That's why I love DRB in the park. Hey, thanks, bro. Yeah, I mean, some people get really like attached to a certain script and they want you to have it on your server. It's like, you got to have this one because I'm familiar with it, which I understand. But I always feel like, yeah, having your own, it's really cool. Gus the outdoor man. Yeah, Fiddlepot is the NDPD ranger. He's got that voice to be like a real stickler, you know. Oh, Fiddlepot here to check your permit. It seems to have expired. Yes, I'm going to have to give you a fine. Bucknuts. Good old fiddler. The fiddler. Alright, so we've got a check going on. I just need to like, oh wow, I didn't even like write the names in this one. That's annoying. Let's do the inventory. Have you looked at the reboot of the RedM RP framework? I was like, oh yeah, that's cool. They actually released it. I didn't think it would happen. But now I'm like, is it any different really? Like it's just different ways of doing the same thing. I really feel like the clothing menu or the skin menu. For which one? Then the reboot. Ah, you must, yeah, okay. I'm about to lose you to them with mine because I didn't actually do button stuff. The clothing menu has button integration. Well, I mean, it's close. Like we're doing Q and E, so that's working. I know, I'm just slack when it comes to like controller and responsive stuff. It's like, it's like, it's not the fun part. It's like, oh, this is really, I really should have grabbed all this. I have the names. Actually had a lot of people thank us for doing as much as we did. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad I was able to pull off that much because I thought it would not be possible. But I mean, you've obviously expanded on it immensely, so cheers to your dedication to the controller. Without that, I mean, I've still got the Xbox controller sitting on top of my computer, so I mean, that'll be part of our testing is like, okay, we, things are working, how does it play on controller? Because I feel like it's important to support that. Swapping the bank over to a menu-based menu soon, it can use controller. Oh yeah. Do we need, I don't think we need a backer station one, but which bank are you using? So I really like, I think it was Teague. Let me use his one. I thought it was great. I loved it. And that's what got me into using Vue.js because they built it in that. And I'd always wanted to learn Vue.js. Like I'd used it in some stuff at work, but not properly. So it was cool to do it for this one. Oh, that's sweet. So you can like chuck your money into a group tin. Do you have like a ledger of if someone takes the money? Because they have that in like a guild bank in MMOs, but they don't have a ledger in New World, which is kind of funny because we'd have people take money from the guild bank. Discord webhooks, yeah, that's sick. Okay, so now we're just moving these vectors, moving these vectors into the right spot. Roads. I mean, I don't need the name then, do I? How are you going with the clothing hashes? You getting there? Because the re-release of Park totally relies on you. We don't have a Blackwater. That seems so weird. I don't have Blackwater. What's a Blackwater hash? Put that there. That's Blackwater. That's what I need. Viper is a rock star. She's like 40% done. We'll get a couple of people in there. Just went through 200 bell buck. Oh man, it's a job. It's like, yeah, the people who help out with that stuff, it's like, thank you. They are the backbone of servers. People can help with that stuff. Because everyone says, like, I mean, sometimes people say they want to help, but then it comes time to actually do the work like that, and it's like, oh no, actually, I don't want to do that. Why is that not? Why is that wrong? Oh, it's always just the first one. She audited every single hair and beard. Damn, that's a lot. So strawberry. That's a lot of auditing. Emerald Ranch. I mean, that's Emerald Station, but whatever. Armadillo. Tumbleweed. Oh, what? I did have Blackwater, I just can't fucking read. Annesburg and Van Horn don't have a clothing place, I guess. No clothing stores there. Okay. That's the boring bit done. So what do we say? We said, well, maybe just clothing, yeah, clothing store. Config clothing store, blah, 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 blah. Da, 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 da. Okay, so print town. I mean, okay. We'll just print to make sure that we're at the right place. Print clothing store town.name. I think that'll work. Start box clothing. So, oh, nearly copped a kick. Tempted. Oh, okay. So we got an error because in our manifest, we don't include. Oh wait, we do. Config lure. So maybe we just need to refresh. That knows that there's a new file. What am I looking at? That's RedMRP clothing. So that's why that's not working. I'm in the wrong place. I mean, we still have it there, so that's fine. Attempt to index a nil value global config. 15. Sanders, what's up? How you doing? Clothing store. Oh, okay, I changed the wrong one. I totally just did this in the RedMRP clothing section. Well done, sir, well done. What the hell? I thought I made a file. Oh, here it is, untitled. Just chilling. That's the way. too many things open? Of course. I got a fiance bought me a coffee mug that says, is it? My brain has too many tabs open. I was like, yep, that's definitely me. Okay, now that can go away. Don't need that one. Okay, so now we're just working in the place that I need. Refresh, restart. Oh, I think maybe on re-release of the server, we need to have split in the inventory. 2 separate workspaces. Yeah. What do you mean, like that? Split and move, right click. We can do that. Disable drag, it's so buggy. Is that what's causing the main thing, you think? The drag. I saw it like, is it like people dragging into the wrong spot or something? Fling. You fling too quickly. Okay, there we go. Got some action. Okay, so we're in Valentine. I mean, yeah, so we didn't, oh my God. We didn't really need to say that we're in Valentine. Then open a ticket, I mean, that wouldn't be too difficult to change from drag to right click. Undead, what's up? Okay. Got to do at store. How goes it? Yeah, it's going good. It's going good, mate. We're just doing some of the basics for like when you're close enough to the point, you can open the menu. Split and move and instance housing is where DB goes to 1.0. Oh, I've got like, yeah, instance housing will be cool. I've done the instance hotel room. That's, I mean, that's another thing I gotta finish. Wait, I already did this, so clothing store. What are you up today? What are you up to today, undead blank? Keeping busy? Just lurking? Thanks for dropping in. Okay, so if at store. So used to coding PHP lately. You have an instance poker room, that's sweet. Print at store. I think that just prints true or something. Had a stressful flight lesson, so unwinding now. Nancy David. Flight lesson? Are you like learning to fly planes? Because flying a plane and learning how to fly a plane would be hectic. You're in flight school, dude, that's so cool. What, so just a little, what is it, like a Cessna? Is that what you learned to fly in? Or like, I'm sure there's something smaller than that. I don't know planes that well. A little 2-person thingamajiggy. Because what's a Cessna? They're quite big, aren't they? Or they're like multiple. Little Piper Cub is tiny. Okay. Piper Archer. What does it feel like flying one of those little planes? Do they like go up and down hell crazy? Because like that's what bugs me about flying, is that the dropping feeling. I'm always like anticipating the drop, like I'm at a rave, and then it makes me stress out. Okay. Are we close enough to the clothing store? Is it gonna work? Well, we should be. We're right here. Right.
Morning.
At store, just config. If at store, print at store. Cessna is the manufacturer, so there's a lot of different sizes. Yeah, they bounce a lot, but you get used to it pretty quickly. I see. Because I guess... You find it therapeutic? Yeah, I think it would be... When you're in control, like, that's when it would be better. But I think being a passenger is the hard part. Because I can't see where I'm going. I'm just sitting out the back. And it's just doing its thing. And then I find, like, for how big the planes are, they do like pretty jerky movements in the commercial passenger jets. It's like all flat and then just like Jesus, can you like ease into that? Like why is it so jerky? Okay, if we're out of town, why is this not doing its thing? If config stores or district. Oh, okay. We don't do X, Y, Z. Don't do this bit. I fly 4-seaters. They weigh no more than 200 at their max. Yeah, that's sick. Whereabouts do you fly? Like, do you have to fly a certain distance? Maybe I need to like add... Let's call it pause. And you've got to do all the like taxiing off the runway and sitting there and talking to the ground control and stuff. Have you ever had like a big plane just fly over the top of you before you take off and you're just like, fuck! Back a station we don't need. That's so cool, because like as a kid I wanted to be a pilot, and then I flew in a plane and I was like, maybe I don't want to be a pilot. And then you can like, you know, just be a real pimp. Like, yeah, I'm flying over to Vegas or wherever. You know, I've got to put this minicon, this trail thing on. Not close enough. There we go. We're getting ones. Sweet. Oh, sorry. I did ground school and flew a lot when I was in 6th grade. My stepdad worked in a small town airport and we knew a lot of pilots. That's cool. Did you get to know any smugglers? Are they all legitimate pilot men and women? The furthest I've flown is 250 nautical miles. That's a way. I'm in Central Texas now. Unfortunately, I've not had any flybys. Anything. ATC would lose their mind if that happened. Yeah, they're super like on top of their shit. The flight people. Like my only experience with air control and stuff is flying drones commercially. Like I'd always have to check in with them and let them know where I was and stuff. And it was just so precise. If you had anything wrong, they were just like, rejected, submit another application. So you kind of forget how much stuff is going on up in the sky. People are like, oh yeah, whatever, there's so much space up there. It's like, yeah, but you try flying in an air corridor where they're all trying to land and shit. You're like, you get fucked up. But I guess Texas gives you a lot of space. Selling ice cream at the Reno Air Races. Man, that sounds so American. It feels funny that they race planes around, you know, like. How do you not cheat? Okay, what am I doing? Oh, I'm trying to turn mini-con channels on. Oh, Shay, that's a nice thing to say in Discord. I was lurking in the stream a couple of days ago and enjoyed what I saw. You're doing great work. I'm looking forward to the server. Appreciate the kind words. ATZ is very strict, especially in the US. The US is notoriously the strictest country with flight regulations. Yeah, I guess, you know, after 9/11 and stuff, you guys would be super on top of everything. Or maybe it was just like that to begin with. Okay, so I always do this. I had to go back to a message from a dev friend of mine and it's like a pinned message. But I haven't spoken to him in so long. Cronus, if you're out there, I hope you're doing well. Okay, we're going to turn this on so we can print stuff when we're getting close. See, we get these ones popping up that we're at the place. Okay. So that's good. Open and close shop or... Okay, now you have to make some prompts for... prompts. Yeah, if you learn to fly in the US, you can fly anywhere in the world, but the US won't let you fly into the US unless you went to the school here or you passed FAA's program. Okay, that's interesting. So, if I learned to fly in Australia, I would have to go and pass the FAA program before I could fly into the US. Correct. So if you like learn in the States, you can pretty much fly anywhere. That sounds cool. Yeah, that's at the start of your sentence. Okay, let's put in our prompts. So they pretty much like set the standard. Open clothing. Open clothing store. It's so long, but whatever. What does it say currently? It says like... Open closed shop. Yeah, because we have the strictest standards. It means we fly safer than any other country. So the US is the safest. How do they like have like a competition of strictness? Open clothing store, store group, open strings. Open clothing catalog. Open clothing store. Whatever. Open prompt equals prompt. So how many hours do you have to do, or have you done, have you got to go? You like just starting, or you're towards the end of it? Store group, open clothing store, open clothing store. Okay. So we have like a owner check. Whoa, Sushi Burrito. Thanks for the follow. I've really got to update my like animation and sound effect. Because I've got like, where is it? Oh, that's like sound transition. Oh, that's cool. Talk away. Is it International Flight Council, and they base their guidelines off the US's. You have 175 hours. Okay. Oh, you're gonna work at an airline? That'd be sick. How do you get to like, I don't even know where these sound effects are. I won't even bother. I had like, guitar twangs. If you play the, I should do this as my like notification sound. Oh, you've already got a job when you got the hours. That's sick. So you just got to get it done. Logos and media. So if someone follows, I should do something like this. Oh, sorry if that was too loud. Well, that's a bit of a long noise for a follow. Way too dank. Do. Oh, yeah, I should use that actually. I don't even know how to change it. You just put like a little video in or some shit. Okay, so we need to set this prompt as visible if we're at the store. Not leave prompt, we want open prompt. So we want to be careful. We don't want to like keep restarting prompts and stuff because they can get a bit weird. So if we get close enough to, oh no. We break it. Oh, I think we also had to. Prompt set enabled, open true. Visible true. I think we also had to like do this. We haven't put that in. So if at store store group equals clothing store. Maybe that's it. It's been so long. I think that showed up. Yeah. Open clothing store. Maybe I should do like view close. Clothing store, view close, view catalog. Clothing store, view catalog. View catalog. Right, so we got the prompt popping up. There we go, clothing store. Blah, blah, blah. So now when we're in there, we can trigger that to open. I'm just gonna stop RedMRP clothing because that's getting in the way. Because we don't want it to keep like popping up its menu. Clothing store, view catalog. Boop. Loving it. Oh, my little overlay is probably getting in the way. You can see the view catalog. All right, so if at store, we're doing that, and then we're going to do, so we can only trigger the menu if prompt has control, hold mode complete, then end. We've got to trigger event, open menu. So this should hopefully bring up the menu when we press. We press and hold that. Eh? Oh, this is, didn't change it to open prompt. It's still buy prompt from when I copy and pasted. Okay. Woohoo! What is that printing though? Oh, it's like stuck on opening it. You just got to put like a little weight in there so it doesn't keep trying to trigger. Because that was trying to open the menu over and over and over again. Okay, it only did it once. Lovely. So our menu is working. View the catalog, it opens it. so guess so we need like our outfits and how to load an outfit and whatnot. And then if we create a new outfit, we get this menu. So we don't want to actually go to this first up. I'll just test another location and then we're gonna like do a real basic menu so we can save stuff. Where do we go? We go to Blackwater because I know where that is. I know I went slow again. Yep, sweet. So we can open the catalog in more than one place. Alrighty. What else are we gonna do? Alright, so we need to design another page in our UI. So that's going to be interesting. We're adding another layer. So that's a character container. We've got, this is like all of this form. I can get rid of all this other shit now. Now that I know that it works. Don't need the hashes. Yeah, I really should like fix this formatting. This is probably really boring, but it needs to be done. I mean, this is a dev stream, it's all pretty boring. Who am I kidding? Clean up, yeah, exactly. This makes it so much easier to read. I don't even have that. I've got the nav buttons disabled too. Okay, so that's good. Right, so And now I can move everything, hopefully, without it doing weird stuff. Need to move that. So this div ID equals this is going to be clothing items. Then I need another div equals main menu. And then another div ID outfits. And do stuff there. So when it first opened, we want to have what do we want to have? Load outfit or new outfit, existing outfits. I don't even know. What do we want to just have like main menu has or just outfits and clothing items? Because you just want to have like your list of outfits when you first open the menu. And then if you click on one, it'll load it. Or you can have a button that says new outfit. And then once you hit new outfit, you go to clothing items. I'm open for suggestions, really. But this bit needs to be like still a button. Load. Create new. So what's going to happen is we're going to get some weird shit when we first open it. Yeah, like I'm not sure. In my mind, I'm picturing like when you open the menu, you can see like a list of your outfits. Yeah, so that's the plan, is to buy each item. And then outfit menu that only pulls up the clothes you own. So do you want to see each item and then you can cycle through those items, or do you just want to load each outfit? Yeah, I can do whatever. It's just like trying to get it in my head, like what it would first look at. I don't want to underline though. So these need to sort of like yeah, so what I'll make it a bit more clear. I'll just hard code this so you can get an idea. Fancy dress. Riding. Farm work. That's what this looks like. It'll just be real basic. So then you'd like click on either one and go load outfit. Maybe you don't even need a button for that. You just like and create new will take you to the other section. But I don't want these to be like horizontal. I want them to be above each other. This font's annoying. Create. Or do I do it all capitals or what? Yeah, do it all caps. Load outfit. Or just say load. Create new. Then these are like slots for you.
Hello.
So I'll make this go to create new, and then this will need to like do a list of outfits to load up. But what I'll do, what does a row look like? I think it's one of these. Maybe it's attribute column. No, it's attribute row. Oh, I don't know. I could probably just don't even need the UL. Just be P. Oh, that's annoying. It's not inside the thing. We have to do this. So that's a label, so we do column label. So each row we do column label. I mean, that's better, but now buttons are being weird. Why? Okay. It's got to be inside the outfit list. And then we can like loop through the data that we find. Why do you be weird? Float left. No, that's button hover. What the fuck? Gotta put it in its own thing. Yeah, maybe if I just put it in this div, it'll fix it up because it's been a bit funky. No, still, why do you gotta be stupid buttons? Just, what is even making you bump over like that? So annoying. Like the two, there's not enough width. Nav buttons, yeah. Oh, width is. Yeah, I do, Max. I wasn't sure if that message you sent me was for me or someone else. I'm like, what? Okay, yeah. I remember you asked me to help out with a bartender script like back in the day. I think. Pretty sure that was you. I've been real good. Why do you not go to the left? Like, there's nothing in your way. Don't get it. The old stable script, like the one where it was the text line. Why are you still centered? You just have one where you'd like jump on it and would just put you straight on top of your horse, and then it would fade in and fade out. But that was so funny for like watching other people do it. These buttons, man, like. There's nothing stopping it from floating left. All right, now you do it. My God, okay. With fit content on if with all the old tack and shit. Ah, I think so. Max content. I think I have to go like 100%. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Loaded create new. Why is that so buggy? Do you still have it? I would kill for it with all the old tack and shit. I don't know if that was me. Mine was always missing stuff. I think I need to make this its own class. How you been though, man? What are you working on? Like, what server? Need to get rid of these, I think. We don't need... Working on a new server, man. Oh, good luck to you, bro. I mean, this is a... Wait, there's a stable around here somewhere.
Morning, ma'am.
See, they're charging pre-mate $100 for a server. No extras. Who charges for a pre-made server? Like, isn't that just... Shouldn't it already just be free? I thought I had stables down here, maybe I didn't. Vorp. They charge to have a pre-made server. I thought you could just like follow instructions and have a server. Just install it. I mean, this is my stable script. Yeah, I mean, I guess if you have a hard time doing stuff like that. This is like custom. It's RedM RP framework initially, but I've like changed the shit out of it, so it doesn't really resemble much of the RedM RP framework. But like I made this menu, so you won't find it anywhere else. Then you go, oh, force provisions, Deca RP. Whee! Yeah, I've got to add more stables to this one too. There's only like 3 locations, or 2. I mean, it's preference really. Like, they're all equally shit. is how I would put it. Vorp is, I think more C#. So, if that's your thing, use that. Whereas I think RedM RP is, I mean, there's still a lot of lure in Vorp, I think, but I'm not very familiar, so I'm probably misrepresenting it. Yeah, QBR. I love QB Core for 5M, but I think they just chucked a lot of 5M stuff into RedM because even the inventory looked like it looked more like the GTA one rather than this one. But yeah. Oh, I like the menu things. I mean, I don't, yeah, having quick items or whatever. Any nice wine maps for a mate? I don't really have many wine maps, eh? I think Samosa's the fella to hit up for wine maps. He's awesome. I was working with him on a hotel. I think it's running. Hold up. Where is it? Saint Denis. Wait, I should just do teleport. Sin scripts? Nah. I haven't got any sin scripts, I don't think. Where's the hotel? The hotel's like... None, bruh. I think it's near the bank, so if we go here... No, I don't want to go to the bank. I want to go... nah, I want the train... Kadir or whatever his ones are. Kadir train, I think. See if my... Yeah, this is still going, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna eventually build my own ranching script. This is like our hotel that Samosa did. Looks a bit better at night when the lights all come on. And then you can like book a hotel. See how long you want to stay for. And then when you get a different room depending on which one you buy, so then you book it. They confirm for 1 day. And then I think because I got the large one, I'm in my own bucket now, in my own large hotel room. I need to get the interiors for this. But you can come and go, but as the time it runs out, you get kicked out of your your apartment, essentially. I don't think I've scripted the rest of the exit of some stuff, so I'm kind of stuck in here until the timer runs out. I think I must have only done large ones. Yeah. That's the hotel stuff. I've got to finish that and let Samosa know. But the what have I done for this? Start Parks Ranch. I think it's like sheep. Oh, what is it? Animal. So I've got my own sheep that I've got to take somewhere. Yeah, so this, I always liked in Red Dead Online when you had to defend the legendary animals against people attacking it. Because it's sort of the same concept. You gotta get your sheep home. But I wanted to like have an auction yard at the in Valentine or wherever. So you go up to the auction yard and you place your not bet, but your bid. And so you can bid for animals and stuff. Yeah, and just gotta take them somewhere. I haven't really like figured out the yeah, I guess that's the challenge of it.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Ian. Bitch. How you doing? Giddy up! Slow now!
So there's a bit of vacuuming going on in the house. Okay, I just gotta like padding right. That's better. These are centered. Whoa. Oh, I guess because their width are like 40%. Anyway. Alright. I guess that's good enough. Hold up. Just restart it. I don't think I put the padding right in there, did I mean, I'm not going to go too crazy on styling on stream because that just takes forever. Okay, so we want create new to take us to 5-hour CSS stream. Yeah, exactly. Who wants that? Not me. Okay, so we need to make this button work. So this will be load outfit, and this will be new outfit. So oh, I can't use dash. Load out. Oh. Load. Um, what? Why is that still open? Whoa. $20. Oh. I didn't put a little majiggy doodah. Comma, that's the one. So when we click load, it's doing load. We click create new, it says create. I just wish the underlined text was gone. Okay, so and close, that works. Create new. What do we want to do? We want to hide.
Howdy, partner.
Oh. I'm just so used to using ChatGPT to do all the code for me now. It's like, how do I...
Hello there.
If I click the following button, how would I toggle visibility of
Hey, I got a piece somewhere.
toggle the visibility? When the button is clicked, you can add a method to view component that will handle the click event. Man, I love this shit. Show clothing items false. So I can get rid of that.
Come on now. Giddy up. Hey,
That goes there. So this should hopefully switch the, whoa. 7. Oh, forgot to put a comma again. My bad, my bad. Okay, so you open the menu. Alright, so that we've got a, yeah, it's working. Pew, pew, pew. We've also got to hide the rest of this stuff. Create new outfit. um, using your code, how could we also hide when the create outfit button is clicked? Da, 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 da. Oh yeah. Just do a little bit of this. Yep, yep. And then a little bit of this. Oh wait, I didn't define it. Show outfits true. Okay, so this is what happens when you load the menu. That's what happened. Yeah, sweet. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I had to restart it. So we go to the clothing store. We can look at our outfits. Or we can create a new outfit. Awesome. Okay, so we need to add a save button to the bottom of the create outfits. So we're gonna have save down the bottom here. So that's in our outfits. This is our clothing items. Oh, we have it down here, so we just need to get rid of that. I mean, it needs to be showing the entire time. I think I need to move it outside of that. Yay. So we'll cut this B here. Button. So hopefully that should stay there the entire time. Alright, cool. It's down the bottom there. I'll fix it up. It'll probably go full width, so it's there the whole time. And won't have like roundy edges on it. So this needs to store our values. To the clothing table. It's funny that arm gets destroyed. Save. Okey-doke. Let's get our outfits saved and then we need to be able to load them. And Mr. Sheepy, let's give the lady some pants. Okay, now we're looking like a civilized person. She says that while I'm holding a pistol. It's kind of cool. She's still friendly. Alright. Okay, so a save function. Do we even have a save function? Oh, so I'm gonna copy it from our Now the script. We got save. Oh wait, we do. We have a save here. Have we not? Okay, we're going to change this to Sparks clothing. Oh, save outfit. This data form. And I want a console log. Stop form, just to see the data that we're getting. Need to add this as a NUI callback. Got our change item, yep. Save outfit data, print data.
Whoa, who are you trying to hide from?
Okay, so we got an object, that's good. But we're gonna have to look at NUI DevTool console. I mean, it sends a lot of data. I guess that is everything. There guys, you can't see that. Also need to change this to save outfit. So here we go, 4kv in pairs, data, do print kv. So at least this should hopefully just print out a list. Oh no, it's called data table. It's the data table. So I wonder if I can just do this form, because I hate having to do data. Oh no, we do have to give it a name. Okay. Right again. We don't have to go so deep into the thingy. Yep. So
Hello there.
now we want to store this as a serialized thingy-jiggy. In our table of clothing, but only if there's a value. So I've got to check what this. We're going to need JSON.encode v. That'll show us what's in there. Create new, save. So we just need the color. I guess we have to store all of that really. Then we have to load that back into the form. Well, how do we load an item? So change item, it needs the item name, the item key, color key, and category. So we need to store all of those. Item name, ID. Yeah, so we've got all those in here. So as long as we store each one of those, just thinking of the best way to serialize that data. Excuse me. So when we look at how it's stored currently, do a few different things like I guess we'd have to have a I think it's just, well, we've got clothes and we've got outfits. That's different. This clothes must be the old one because clothes just has a name in it. The old one looks like this. So it just has the value in there and then the name in it. It's all in one thing there. The newer version, I think, stores the outfit name in a different column. And then you've got the clothing in there. Got value true though, I don't know why. And it's got the name stored in there as well, so that's kind of weird. You have a column for the name, but also serialize the name. So we've got to do something that looks like it's going to get the log so I can copy and paste that. And then I'll grab another one, hold on. Then we've got something like that. So we probably need to do something like that, I think. And then gloves would be like this. And then you do that. That's sort of what you're storing. For all the items. Or it could just be like 1, 2, it doesn't really matter. Just gotta format the data. Oh man, see, this is where I'm just gonna ask the AI because I don't really want to. I don't care if I had to work tomorrow. How would I get yeah, see, just ask it and just if the following loop outputs for each item. How could I serialize the data so that it could look like the following? Using Lua.
never seen anything like that before.
Could I use how could I create the following JSON data? Okay, so I guess we can just use this to get the data that we want. Print JSON data. And that should hopefully store it how we want. Because that would have taken me forever. No way I'd want to do that.
What the hell was that?
You just stay away.
It worked. That's fucking perfect. That's so cool. Okay. So now probably just do this in our server event. So we're going to register, trigger server event, parks, clothing, save out. Save outfit data. Right, so then server. Just copying this. Box clothing. Save outfit. That. I can't remember if I had to tell it to give me the thing or not. Function data. Yeah, we lost this bit. Oh. Print JSON data. That should print to the server, hopefully. So I should see it in the terminal. Start parks clothing. Close. Create new. Save. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Clothginnig. Clothging. Clothing. Save outfit, save outfit. Alright. Hopefully this will do some stuff. Yep, you can see that in the terminal. Just went bleh. Sweet. Now, do we save all that even if they're empty, or do we just only save it if they exist? I guess we keep it so then we could just add stuff to it if we needed to. Okay, so also got to ask it to give us a name for the outfit. Ooh. Okay, so we got to add a modal pop-up. How could I write code that will create a modal window and make it appear when clicking the following element using view.js? Oh man, it's doing like so much CSS. That's so cool. Okay, so just gonna add the show modal. Show modal false, because we don't need it just yet. I've opened Firefox by mistake. Okay, we've got open modal and close modal. There's CSS. Probably change this, but we'll just see what it looks like. What else is there? Whoa, what happened here? What did you do, sheep? Let's get out of here before they think we did it.
Morning.
The modal popped up, but then it went real weird. What happened there? I'm still stuck in the modal. Alright, we create new. Oh no, you killed my sheep! Oh shit! Whoa, what is going on with that modal window? Someone clip that, that's hilarious. They killed my sheep. The tram just destroyed my livestock. Maybe that's what was getting it. Oh, not my sheep, bro. Oh. Wrecked. Oh, alright, well I think I'm gonna end the stream there now because I'm gonna do some day job work as well. But it's looking good. We've got the save function kind of working. I need to work on the modal window. Someone needs to clip my sheep being wrecked by the tram. But yeah, getting there slowly. So thanks for everyone hanging out. Not a huge amount of progress got done today, but good chats here and there. Yeah, I'm gonna go make some lunch as well.